Hey, amazing teachers! Ever feel like students tune out when you introduce new vocabulary? Let's change that. One of my favorite no prep strategies is using word clouds to preview vocabulary in a way that sparks curiosity. Instead of handing students a boring list of words, drop the text of a story, article, or unit lesson into a word cloud generator like wordart.com or wordclouds.com and watch the magic happen. The generator highlights high frequency words in larger text, instantly giving student clues about the theme. Here's how to make it work. Project the word cloud and ask students, what do you think this lesson is about? Give them 30 seconds to jot down their predictions and then pair up and compare ideas. Want to level it up? Have students categorize words, nouns, verb, adjectives, or guess the context by creating mini sentences with the words they see. This quick 5-minute activity gets their brains actively engaged before you even introduce the material, meaning they're primed to comprehend right from the start. Try this in class tomorrow, and I promise you'll see an immediate boost in student engagement and participation. Want more simple, effective CI strategies? Take our CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz and find out where you stand in your comprehension-based teaching journey. It's a quick way to check your progress and grab more ideas to level up your teaching.